Have you ever faced a situation where you needed to implement a change in your organization but encountered resistance? How do you analyze the driving and restraining forces to ensure successful change? Welcome to a new session from Quality Capsule, where we will discuss force field analysis. So let's get started. So, what exactly is force field analysis? Let's break it down together. Force field analysis is a simple yet powerful tool that was introduced by psychologist Kurt Lewin. Think of it as a way to weigh the pros and cons when you're trying to make a change, whether that's improving a process, launching a new system, or tackling a quality issue.
Here's how it works. Imagine you're standing in the middle of a tug-of-war. On one side, you have the driving forces. These are the things pushing for change. They might be things like new technology, customer demands, or a need to improve patient safety. On the other side, you've got the restraining forces, the ones holding you back. These could include limited resources, staff resistance, or even lack of training. Now, force field analysis helps you visualize both sides. You literally list out the driving and restraining forces side by side. Once everything is laid out clearly, it becomes a lot easier to see whether change is possible, and more importantly, what needs to happen to make it successful.
Force field analysis helps you understand what's pushing you forward and what's holding you back, so you can make change happen more effectively. By visualizing and evaluating these forces, teams can better understand whether a change is feasible and what actions are needed to support its success. Now, where does force field analysis really shine? It's especially useful during the planning stage of any quality improvement project. You know, that moment when you're trying to figure out if a change is worth it or how to make it stick. You'll often see it used in root cause analysis, strategic planning, and Lean Six Sigma projects. It's also super helpful when you're trying to shift the culture of a team or an entire organization, which, let's be honest, can be one of the toughest kinds of change.
So, the next time you face resistance to change, remember, force field analysis is your strategic ally. Thank you for tuning in, and always remember, empowering quality professionals, one capsule at a time. This is your Quality Capsule, where quality meets career growth. See you in the next session.